In this video, we will compare two innovative portable washing solutions, the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine. Both products are designed for travelers and those living in small spaces, but they offer different features and functionalities. The Scrubba Wash Bag is a lightweight manual washing machine that allows you to wash clothes on the go, while the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is an electric option with a spin basket for added convenience. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, requiring you to wash your clothes by hand using its internal washboard. This makes it extremely portable and lightweight, weighing only 5.3 ounces. On the other hand, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is electric, allowing for less manual effort and a more automated washing process. While the Scrubba is ideal for those who prioritize portability, the Nixod offers the convenience of electric washing, making it easier for users who may not want to put in the manual labor. When it comes to capacity, the Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small to medium loads, making it suitable for items like t-shirts and underwear. In contrast, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, allowing it to handle larger loads, including baby clothes and small garments. This difference in capacity can be a significant factor for users who need to wash more items at once, especially during travel. The Scrubba Wash Bag is incredibly portable, folding down to a compact size and weighing only 5.3 ounces, making it easy to carry in your backpack or luggage. The Nixod Portable Washing Machine, while still compact, weighs 4.6 pounds and requires more space when stored. This makes the Scrubba a better option for travelers who prioritize lightweight gear, while the Nixod may be more suitable for those who have access to electricity and need a more robust washing solution. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine offer unique advantages for travelers and those in small living spaces. The Scrubba is perfect for those who need an ultra-portable, manual washing solution, while the Nixod provides the convenience of electric washing with a larger capacity. Consider your specific needs, such as how often you'll be doing laundry and whether you have access to electricity, before making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.